Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to discuss the poem of Rumi, that is Ode. And before discussing the critical analysis from the notes, I will discuss the overview of the poem. As Rumi, he was a mystic poet. So in this poem, he is addressing to a person who is going to die. He is basically sketching the life of human soul and his relation with the body, as the body is temporary stay for the soul for living in this temporary world. So he this soul is as a farewell speech. He told us that when you will depart from this world, you are going toward a blissful life, as this life is full of suffering and hardships and fears, but death will ease all burdens and worries, and you will live happily hereafter. And he also told that the as the body is mortal, so after death it would lose its shape and would completely ruined. So one should make his soul pure, like tulip. He referred tulip because tulips represent the garden of heaven. So he says one soul should be pure to live in the garden of heaven. And in the last part of the poem, he told us the way to earn the guidance of Allah Almighty. He says, the only way to earn a beautiful life is to make your earthly life full of good deeds, humanity, and also by helping others who need your help. Feed the hungers of others, Allah Almighty will fill your soul with light. Now, the analysis is it's a farewell speech to the soul by Rumi. He says to the soul to not worry about death. Do not get horrified about your body that will ruin after death. In fact, he wants to tell the people that after death you will become free and happy. Body is the cage for soul. Do not worry about food or friends. Do not think you will be all alone when everybody will burying you, because afterlife is way more joyful than this world. You will meet virtuous people and your friends and family who are already dead. You will be given the most delicious food in Jannah. He says to the soul that after death you should enjoy your journey toward heaven, because you have escaped from all fears and all the problems. Now you will be peaceful. So you should be happy instead of thinking about your body. Do not worry about paleness of your body, because all this is left behind you. And in Jannah there will be eternal happiness and peace. You don't have to worry about the life that is not eternal. ठीक है, जो ज़िंदगी जो बॉडी है हम जिसकी ज़्यादा परवाह करते हैं वो तो इटर्नल है ही नहीं। हम उसका ख्याल रखते हैं, हम सोल का नहीं रखते, हम उसको प्योर नहीं करते। हम बस फिज़िकली बॉडी को संवारने में लगे रहते हैं, लेकिन वो कहते हैं कि हमें जो सोल है वो उसको प्योर करना है, ताकि जो आगे जो ज़िंदगी है वहाँ पे तो बॉडी ने तो इसी दुनिया में रह लेना है, ठीक है। तो वो जो आगे की ज़िंदगी है वो इसी तरह बेहतर होगी अगर हमारी जो सोल है वो प्योर होगी, फिल्थी नहीं होगी, डर्टी नहीं होगी, ठीक है। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द पोएम। अल्लाह हाफिज़।